This is a test then of chicken washing. The chicken is dead, I should point out. I didn't kill it. It wasn't me. So this is surround sound. I put you on the windowsill. So you're not going to hear anything from behind you anyway, are you? I don't think you're going to hear much at all, but this is on maximum gain. So I think you can hear me here. Oh, and as I put my head into the sink, oh, I'm sinking into the sink. Is this sinking? Yeah, are my lips sinking? Stop it. Chicken's lips. They don't have any, don't they? I don't think so. Okay, scissors. Now I'm just going to make kitchen noises. I didn't even want this lunch. Not hungry. I had lunch for tea yesterday, and not hungry. While you're thinking about the recorder, you forget how to do anything. What we need to get ready. I've just missed click, haven't I? It's 3 minutes to 12. That was foolish. Here's Sophie. Hello, Sophie. I'm going to identify you, then I've identified you. It was an accident. No. I'm trying to remember the line from Dad's Army of Fame. There's only 3 pieces of chicken in there. 3 substantial pieces. Sometimes they cut the same amount as well. Now, I imagine that is just too loud. We should probably have put this down to 8 or 9, but I've been complaining about really low output, so let's see what the maximum is. And try not to get water in it. That's good. The oven won't get hot unless I turn it on with it. Lots of noises for you.
Lots of fun for everyone in the big yellow teapot. And lots of fun for everyone in the big yellow teapot.
Yeah, it's not bad. I've only got 2 droplets of water on that. Well done, me. Necessitates me getting some paper towel then. Give its face a little rub. It's nice. And it's not made of the sort of screen that you've got to worry about at all. Also, you can actually see what's going on it, which is wonderful. And it's recording a good level, according to those sound bars now. So, like most devices, you need to have a bit of a settling in period with it when you find out how to get the best out of it. There's all kinds of clonking going on in here. There's up here, it's the clock, the second hand's going round. And weird tickings and things over here by the oven. I think I'm not going to move you. I'm moving me. Because if I move you, it will freak out. What happens if I put you into a glass jar? There we go. Oh God, it's really sticky on the outside. What's that's so? I dread to think. Really, I do. I have. Good grief. I don't know. I hope that was a piece of olive. I don't think. Poor olive. What happened to olive? Oh, bin. I'm not going to put you in the bin, I was going to put you in this jar, but I'm having second thoughts considering what was stuck on the outside of it. So we'll just replace the lid, which will be interesting. This should be off to the side. I don't actually know for sure if it's going to be your right side or your left side. May actually be your left. Who knows? Right, that didn't make a very satisfying sound. That's a bit better. That's manky and tacky and horrid, and it's over here probably because it's supposed to be thrown away with good reason, if not with good raisins. Are there some raisins in the cupboard? What do raisins sound like? California ones sound like Sam Cooke, don't they? Was it Sam Cooke? I don't think so. I heard it through the great one, wasn't it? Marvin Gaye. Raisins sound like Marvin Gaye. Marvin Gaye. Okay. That's the sound of one raisin not clapping. They're all stuck together horribly. I don't know who's going to eat those. Okay, here will be a sound effect. It's almost Tupperware. Of course, I'm doing all this now. I'm only recording in the MP3 format and not the highest quality one, because I got fed up with making mistakes with the huge WAV files, which I should move back to ascertain the quality. But in the meantime, just wanted to get a way for it to be able to hear things. Just lots of dripping going on. Dripping and ticking. I mean, this is the sound of silence, and it's flipping noisy, isn't it? Let's get some dishes out. Ooh, that was a good one. Did that clip you out? I wasn't looking. And oh, what can you do with these? It's like being 3, isn't it? When you have the horses, the coconut thing. According to the visuals, that is going far too toppy. But I reckon that's probably just good. That's a good quality sample, probably. Ooh. Wow. If you can get nice quality samples in the first place and then go do really silly things with them, that's going to be a lot of fun. So if I come right in here, can you hear me? I have to stand, this is 6 inches, 7 inches away, and I'm lower, now I'm at the same height. Interesting. I think I must have done enough testing now. There's definitely nothing wrong with the microphone and everything wrong with me. But I haven't played this back yet because it's on maximum gain, so maybe there's horrid amounts of hiss. But I have to deal with that. And on this level, I can actually carry on chuntering away for 37 hours. More like 37 minutes on the high quality WAV files. Oh, yep, that's enough. 9 minutes and 4 seconds. But yeah, then you feel you want to do more and you think, I'm going to pour a glass of water all over that. Right, is the cooker hot enough? 140. We're getting there. There we go. Off the rails. Oh, what about I don't think this is the sort of thing to do in the surround sound mode though. If you want to do really close things, possibly XY, probably mid-side, well, maybe XY. You want to get straight in on something, you can attach a microphone of your own to it, but that seems a waste when this is supposed to be really high quality compared to the little freebie I had. The little freebie I had served me very, very well though. It's a little bit impractical being on a wire though, because you never know when it's bashing into your clothes and causing horrible static spikes. So anyway, can you hear that I'm drinking? It'd be quite creepy if it is picking up swallowing sounds. I could play with this for hours. I already have played with it for hours. I'm happy to be happy about it again now, because I was working out. Where you put your head down here? We're on top of the fridge here. I can hear the fridge and I can see the electricity light flickering at the wall socket, and I don't think it's supposed to be doing that, but that might be what me and my Indian head to the ground friend here. I think, oh look! Copper pans. I mean, we do identify that sound. Mystery sound competition. I'm like somebody from a radio station in 1982. Cupboards. Oh, talking of 1982, there's a Breville toasty maker. Do you want to listen to it? Yeah, I'm sure that's covered in cheese. If that jar was covered in something. I could only hope and praise olives or cheese. Hopefully not olives, cheese. I think that's enough of that. Is the oven's ready? Not really. Now I've moved you 90 degrees, I think, sort of, from where you were when I first used the chicken bowl, so I don't know how directional you are. I could just move across the field like this. I keep moving, 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 moving. Over we go, over we go. It's not a field, I know. No, here we go. Left and right, left and right. And I don't know which is your left and which is your right. It's really like that. Okay, all the way to this side, and then all the way to this side. You can tell how big the room is. It's 2 steps. 2 steps on the water. No. I'm leaving you now.